Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating my version of Morticia Addams from the Addams family. So before we jump into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. I always start out with a toner, you guys already know about that. Then I'm jumping right in with my glue stick to start blocking out my brows. Now this step is optional. I just envisioned a really flat, cartoonish looking brow, so I just wanted to make it easier for me to draw over top of my eyebrow to create it. Did that make any sense? I need to get better at explaining things. Now I'm just going in with the CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation in shade L20, just to get that really pale, almost emaciated look. Then I'm just setting it in place using the Ben Nye Colorless Luxury Powder. For your contour, you always want to go in with the cool tone powder. For this look, I'm actually using an eyeshadow from the Ben Nye Glam Shadow palette, and this is in the shade Cobblestone. So you want to hit all those areas that you want to look a little more sunken in and extra chiseled. In that same palette, I'm going in with the shade Smoky Taupe, and I'm going to shade the outer V of my eye. And this is just going to give you that very blown out, smoky cat eye look. Since that shade is just a little darker, I'm going to add it to my contour just to deepen it a little bit. Then I'm adding it to my bottom lip just to make my lip look a little bigger, and then of course I'm going to shade in those temples. Then going in with the shade Mink Stole, I'm going to fill in my eyelids and give my whole eye that overall darker, smoky feel. To contour my nose, I'm going back in with that shade Cobblestone. I'm definitely over contouring to make it look super thin and defined, which is classic Morticia. Grabbing that medium brown shade again, I'm just going to sink in those areas around the neck, and I'm going to define that cleavage, obviously. Now it's onto those cartoony brows that I was talking about. So I'm using a brow pomade for this, and I'm starting off with a harsh angle to each side, leading into a pointed arch at the top. Then I'm going in and I'm adding thick hair-like strokes to finish it off. You can always leave the eye as it is and just pop on a lash, but I never feel complete without lining my lid, so I'm going in with the gel liner by Pretty Vulgar in the shade Blacklist, and then I'm just going to wing that out. This look wouldn't be complete without overly highlighting, so just go in and pop out all those bones. I'm coating my eyelashes with some mascara to prep them for the false lashes, and then I'm going right in with the shade Whatever from Tattoo Junkie to complete the mouth. To top off the look, I'm going in with the M111 lash by Eldora Lashes to add that drama. And then I'm just going to fix my hair and you're good to go. And this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. You can also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.